Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to view someone's WhatsApp status without letting them know. So let's get into it. Number 1. Disable the red receipts feature. By doing this, the person you are messaging will not be able to see when you have read their messages. To do this, open WhatsApp. Click the three-dot menu on the top right corner and select Settings. Here, select Privacy. Turn off the toggle for read receipts. Number 2. View WhatsApp status offline. The other way is to turn off your mobile data and disconnect from any Wi-Fi networks. You can then check out any contact status without letting them know you've seen it. However, you're hidden only till the time you're offline. Once you go online, the other person will see that you've seen their status. It'd be best to use this method minutes before the status expires. This way, you won't have to stay offline for long. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.